My name is Siju KS. I am showing you a video about 2015 earthquake, Nepal earthquake. This video taken just before 2 minutes. This video will show you just before 2 minutes and just after 1 minute of earthquake. What happened in Nepal? This video taken near from Pashupatinath temple, Nepal. I am Siju KS from Delhi. This video showing you the reality of earthquake of Nepal. Now you can see temple and nearby places. It's right now everything is fine. There is no any problem. Everything calm and quiet. People are roaming. They don't know what is happening. What will happen in next 2 minutes. But just see. Look at the video. It's shivering. Earthquake is started. Things are shivering. Yeah, birds are gone. Yeah, look at the sky. Lot of dust. My name is Siju KS. This video showing the reality of Nepal earthquake.